Ever found yourself stressed or unprepared for a camping trip? Fret no more. Today we break down a comprehensive camping checklist, ensuring you're equipped with all the essentials for a stress-free outdoor adventure. First up, the gear. This includes site furniture like tables, chairs, and a hammock, as well as primitive site gear for those more remote locations. Think water filters, collapsible water bottles, and a portable camp shower. Of course, shelter and bedding are paramount, including a sturdy tent, sleeping bags, and pillows. Don't forget duct tape for those unexpected repairs. Electronics are next. Power banks, phones, cameras, and their chargers are must-haves. A headlamp and lantern will keep your site well lit, while a map or GPS will prevent you from losing your way. And for those quieter moments, consider headphones or a speaker for music. What about the kitchen? You'll need a cooler, a camping stove, and cooking utensils. Don't forget a bottle opener, can opener, and a pot holder. And for those who can't start their day without a caffeine fix, a coffee maker is a must. Moving on to clothing and footwear. Pack hiking pants, shorts, shirts, and underwear. A down jacket, windbreaker, or rain jacket, base layers, shoes, hats, and sunglasses are also essential. And don't forget your swimsuit and sandals for those refreshing dips in the lake. Personal gear is next. A day pack knife or multi-tool and a wallet are necessary. A first aid kit, sunscreen, toiletries, and hand sanitizer are also crucial. And remember, always check the weather forecast before you head out. Campfire supplies are another must. A hatchet, fire starter, matches or lighter, and firewood are crucial. And don't forget the roasting forks for those delicious s'mores. Last but not least, consider bringing items for fun and entertainment. Games, books, binoculars, and fishing gear can make your camping trip even more enjoyable. Staying organized is key. Using clear plastic bins with lids can help keep camping gear organized. Pre-chilling both food and cooler before loading can keep your food fresh longer. And planning meals ahead can make for a smoother cooking experience. In summary, the key to a successful camping trip lies in proper planning and packing. Whether it's site gear, electronics, kitchen supplies, clothing, or personal gear, having a comprehensive checklist ensures you're well prepared for your outdoor adventure. So pack up, head out, and enjoy the wonders of the great outdoors stress-free.